Pour 2 bottles of Coca-Cola into the toilet tank. Coca-Cola isn't just for drinking, it has properties that few people know about. And when combined with a few household ingredients, it can work wonders. Take a regular bar of soap and grate it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then 4 tablespoons of Coca-Cola. Mix thoroughly until the mixture becomes sticky. Form a ball, wrap it in aluminum foil, and use a wooden stick to poke a few holes so the water can gradually dissolve it. Throw the ball into the toilet tank and you're done. With every flush, the water releases the mixture, which cleans the tank, the pipes, and the toilet bowl. The result? No limescale, a fresh scent, and no residue. You can prepare these balls in advance and store them in an airtight container. It's not only cost-effective, but also a simple way to keep your toilet fresh all month long. This simple trick is a hit among fans of practical solutions. Try it once, and you'll forget about expensive toilet cleaning tablets. Poke holes in a bottle with a fork, and it will completely transform your bathroom. Say goodbye to constantly adding toilet cleaner and try this brilliant trick. First, heat a fork over the stove for about 10 seconds until it becomes hot. Then, gently press it into a plastic bottle filled with liquid cleaner, creating several evenly spaced holes with ease. The heat softens the plastic, making it simple to get perfectly sized openings. Now, place the prepared bottle inside the toilet tank, submerging it in water. Flush and watch the magic happen. With every flush, a small amount of cleaner will be released, keeping your toilet fresh and clean for longer. This method keeps your bathroom smelling great, eliminating the need for expensive air fresheners. It's a quick, cheap, and effective way to maintain long-lasting freshness. Try it once, and you'll never go back to traditional methods. Mix Vaseline with Coca-Cola. You'll see how wonderful it can be. You'd never think these ingredients could be mixed together. I'll show you how to make your favorite everyday product. It doesn't contain any chemicals. Take a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Take half a teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. Take a larger bowl and turn it into a steam bath. Place the small bowl in it and pour hot water over it. Cover it with a plate and leave it for 10 minutes. We need to let our ingredients dissolve well. After waiting those few minutes, remove the plate. You can easily mix the Vaseline with the coconut oil now. You probably have some lipstick residue in your favorite color. Apply its remnants to the bowl. If you like experiments, you can add another one in a different color. Mix the lipsticks with the contents of the bowl. Get the Coca-Cola ready. Add 2 teaspoons to the Vaseline mixture. Mix everything again. Once the mixture has become uniform, you can transfer it to a small jar. Wondering what smells so nice and has a great color? That's your new lipstick. It looks beautiful and wonderfully moisturizes your lips. These ice cubes will help you save a lot of money. Take an ice cube tray, preferably with small rectangular compartments. Fill each compartment halfway with dishwashing liquid in your favorite scent and color. The next important ingredient is baking soda, a natural cleaner that neutralizes odors. Add half a small teaspoon to each compartment. Then choose a different dishwashing liquid and add a few drops of a different color and scent to give the cubes a unique fragrance. Mix each compartment well. Now you'll also need toothpaste and toothpicks. Use a toothpick to apply a small amount of toothpaste to each rectangle. Place the cubes in the freezer and store them until needed. Once frozen, remove them from the tray and place them in the toilet tank. These cubes help maintain cleanliness and freshness in the toilet, neutralizing odors and removing dirt. With ingredients like baking soda and toothpaste, your toilet will be more hygienic and smell great. Squeeze toothpaste onto a bar of soap. A hotel trick that will save you lots of money and time. This one bar can truly change your life. Start by grating the soap using a coarse grater. Although we usually associate soap with washing, it actually has many more uses. One of them is about to surprise you. Pour the grated soap into a small bowl. Take some toothpaste. Striped or plain white works best. Toothpaste not only freshens, but also has antibacterial properties. Squeeze the entire tube of toothpaste into the bowl with the soap. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This ingredient makes a big difference in this mix. Baking soda not only neutralizes odors, but also has whitening properties. Mix everything thoroughly by hand. It's important that the mixture combines well. It should be thick and sticky. Form 3 smaller balls. Make sure they're about the same size. Tear off pieces of aluminum foil. Wrap each ball separately. Use a fork to poke a few holes on each side. This will allow the ingredients to release gradually. Drop the balls into your toilet tank. With every flush, your toilet will be cleaned, refreshed, and smell great. This natural method works better than many store-bought products. Try it and see for yourself. Drop a laundry pod into the toilet tank. This brilliant trick will stay with you forever. Just one laundry pod can completely transform your bathroom. That little pod you usually toss into the washing machine has powers few people know about. Drop it directly into the toilet tank. The concentrated ingredients inside the pod work perfectly for this hack. Boil water in a kettle and let it cool down to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. That part is crucial. Water that's too hot can damage the ceramic. When the temperature is right, carefully pour the water into the tank with the pod. The pod will dissolve and release its powerful ingredients. For best results, repeat this once a week. The gentle, active formula not only refreshes your toilet, but also breaks down limescale and buildup. Your guests will definitely ask where you got that amazing bathroom scent. A genius trick to keep your toilet clean and fresh. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces.